Let's imagine for a moment you have amount, you have some money, you got some money from your parents, or you yourself earned that money by XYZ resources, right? And person 2, next person, your friend, he has some skill, like how to talk effectively in front of people, or how to swim like a fish, or how to play a beautiful guitar, or how to ride a bicycle. These are the expertise which person 2 has. So what life lesson I have learned here is, the person 1 who has money and person 2 who has some skills, which one will be with you forever, whether money or skill? If you ask me, what I have learned is, money, yes, we need money in order to survive, in order to fulfill the basic requirements, essential things in order to live, like food, water, whatever it might be, we can buy using money. But will it be lifetime with you? Yes or no? Now switching to person 2, he has some skills, 3 to 4 skills. He has learned that, he is excelling that, and he is upgrading himself or herself whenever there is an progress, or whenever there is a new update on that skill, he is upgrading. So which one would be lifetime? Until your last breath, what would be your friend? Which one, money or skill, which will be with you till your last breath? You need to remember, money will not be there all the time with us, maybe or may not be, but the skill which you have learned, it will be lifetime with you, lifetime. It doesn't matter whatever skill it might be, but which skill you need to learn, which kind of skill will be helpful to you, you need to choose those kind of skill. In this planet, we don't have any skill which is less important and high importance. The skill matters when there's a use of that skill. Let's take, swimming. Beautiful strokes, and you can easily move from one corner of water to another corner. But that skill will be applicable in all the situations in your life? No. Whenever you are in water, then only you can use that skill. If you are somewhere like this, will you use that skill? No. Learning skill is one thing, and where to apply, when to apply, that's another skill. Swimming, you can easily correlate with water. Bicycle, we can easily correlate with cycle. But few skills which you can use on daily basis, like how to talk effectively in front of people, how to express your thoughts in front of people, how to inspire people, how to educate people, how to motivate people. These are the few skills which you can use in day-to-day life, which will give immense knowledge to the ex-person, whoever it might be, whether they might be a student or an employee or your family member, doesn't matter. If you have certain skills, you need to share with the people so that someone could be benefit at some stage of their life.